What is Imo State known for? Nestled in the southeastern heart of Nigeria lies Imo State, a region where history and tradition blend seamlessly with the rhythms of modern life. This land is a patchwork of lush landscapes, from rolling green hills to tranquil rivers, each carrying the whispers of ancestors who once walked this soil. Imo State is more than just a place. It's a cradle of culture, a stronghold of resilience, and the proud home of Ndi Imo, a vibrant group within the larger Igbo community whose legacy stretches far beyond its borders. Ndi Imo are known not just for their entrepreneurial spirit, but also for their indomitable will. It's a land of people who hold onto their values with unwavering pride, who revere their ancestors and embrace their identity with unshakable conviction. Every town, every village, and every family in Imo State holds a story, stories of endurance, of triumph over adversity, and of an unbreakable connection to the land. To truly understand this unique spirit, we must journey back in time, back to the roots of a people whose history is as rich as the red earth they till. The origins of Ndi Imo are steeped in the ancient heritage of the Igbo people, a tapestry woven with tales of bravery, innovation, and leadership. It's a history marked by legendary figures and powerful families who rose to protect their communities, who governed with wisdom and ensured that their values would be passed on to future generations. This is a land where the past lives on in the present, where the footsteps of ancestors echo through time, guiding each generation as they navigate the challenges of a changing world. From the ancient villages where the first Igbo communities gathered to the powerful clans who shaped the history of this land, Ndi Imo have always been a people defined by strength and solidarity. Their journey has seen them overcome centuries of challenges, from colonial incursions to modern struggles, always emerging with an enduring sense of identity. And though time has brought change, the spirit of Imo State remains, a spirit that binds Ndi Imo to one another and to the land they call home. Today, we journey into the heart of Imo State to explore the stories, values, and aspirations that define its people. Together, we'll delve into the soul of this land to understand what it means to be part of Imo State and how this spirit of resilience continues to thrive in the face of the modern world. Imo State has always held a vital place within the larger tapestry of Igbo land, renowned for producing leaders and thinkers who have shaped not only their communities but also the broader Igbo heritage. From the legendary days of the Nri Kingdom, a powerful and spiritual epicenter for the Igbo people, through the challenges of colonial rule, Ndi Imo have stood resilient, carving out their identity with a sense of purpose and pride. They were known for far and wide as industrious farmers, shrewd traders, and fearless warriors, individuals who understood the value of hard work, the necessity of unity, and the strength found in tradition. The land of Imo is fertile, not just for agriculture, but for ideas. The people of Imo State built their communities on pillars of equality and mutual respect, values that have endured through generations. In these villages, the Igbo worldview comes alive, a worldview that emphasizes collective strength, respect for individual contributions, and an unwavering commitment to family and community. This spirit of communal living is woven into the very fabric of Imo State, manifesting itself in everything from shared labor to the profound joy of cultural celebrations. Here, success is shared and challenges are met together. At the heart of Imo's societal structure lies the village council system, a cornerstone of governance that exemplifies the community-centered leadership for which Ndi Imo are known. Long before modern governance structures, elders and respected leaders gather under the shade of great trees, surrounded by the people, to deliberate on matters of importance. These gatherings not only exclusive, they were open to all voices. Every individual, regardless of age or status, had the opportunity to speak and contribute. The council represented a democracy in its purest form, a place where wisdom was shared, where solutions were sought collectively, and where the well-being of the community always came first. Today, these traditions of inclusive leadership and communal decision-making still resonate throughout Imo State. From the smallest villages to the bustling city of Owerri, you can hear the echoes of these ancestral councils, in town meetings, in family gatherings, and the way people come together to solve local issues. While modern challenges demand modern solutions, Ndi Imo continue to honor the values handed down by their ancestors, creating a unique fusion of old and new. This approach to leadership has enabled Imo State to thrive, even as the world changes. Their roots are grounded in the wisdom of the past, yet they look toward the future with hope and determination. Imo State is more than a place, it is a living legacy of resilience, adaptability, and a profound respect for the bonds that connect people to one another and to the land. It is a testament to the enduring strength of community-centered governance, a reminder that every voice matters, and a celebration of the unity that has carried Ndi Imo through the ages. In Imo State, culture isn't just preserved, it's celebrated. From the bustling markets of Owerri to the serene villages of Orlu and Mbise, the people of Imo State have a way of bringing life and energy to everything they do. Language is central to this culture, with dialects that capture the spirit of the land and the hearts of the people. Festivals like the Iriji, the New Yam Festival, are not just events, they are grand celebrations of life, harvest, and gratitude. The New Yam Festival is a time when families come together, honoring the earth goddess Allah, who grants them a bountiful harvest. It's a moment for sharing, feasting, and honoring tradition. Then there is the Mmọnwụ masquerade, where masked dancers embody ancestral spirits, bringing messages from the past to the present. These festivals aren't just for entertainment, they are living history, a way for Ndi Imo to connect with their ancestors, honor their roots, and pass these sacred traditions down to future generations. In Imo State, food is more than nourishment, it's a language of love, an expression of identity, and a celebration of community. Dishes like ofe owiri, a rich soup filled with assorted meats and vegetables, are central to Imo's cuisine. It's a meal often prepared for special guests, a way to say you are welcome, you are valued. With each bite of abacha, the African salad, or a bowl of spicy nkwobi, you taste the flavors of Imo State, a perfect blend of tradition and creativity. These foods reflect the agricultural richness of the land and the ingenuity of the people who have transformed everyday ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Today, Ndi Imo are making their mark in Nigeria and beyond, achieving success in fields ranging from politics to business, from arts to sciences. Leaders like Dr. Pascal Dozie, founder of Diamond Bank, have reshaped the financial landscape of Nigeria. Women like Professor Viola Ounliri have championed education and public service, inspiring a new generation of leaders. The youth of Imo State are carrying the torch, blazing trails in technology, agriculture, and the arts. Young men and women are launching startups, creating sustainable solutions, and bringing Imo's voice to the world stage. They are the embodiment of the Imo spirit, resilient, resourceful, and endlessly ambitious. As Ndi Imo look to the future, they hold onto the values of their ancestors: community, respect, and an unbreakable bond with the land. They dream of a brighter tomorrow where tradition and innovation walk hand in hand, where every child grows up with pride in their culture and confidence in their potential. The journey of Imo State is a journey of resilience, of love, of faith in what tomorrow holds. Ndi Imo carry the past within them. They live fully in the present, and they are the architects of a future that honors their heritage while embracing the possibilities of the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Imo State, a land of strength, beauty, and hope. From the hills of Orlu to the rivers of Owerri, the people of Imo are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Igbo. Their story is far from over. It continues with every heartbeat, every new dawn, every step forward. This is Ndi Imo, and this is their legacy.